Oh, my eyes. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
This way. Come here. Go that way.
Ooh, palace?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Dang, I forgot how to do this.
Hey, Captain.
I always pick up first? No, I'll pick up after. Oh my god, I think someone cheated. Someone cheated. It's probably the only time they'll be able to sleep, that's why.
What do you mean?
Because you know how like they're sleeping?
Uh-huh.
It's probably the only time they could sleep,
Oh.
I guess. No responsibilities.
Uh-huh. That's true.
Over there we can take, or we can go on this one, but if we're super still so, wherever you want to go. Okay, you want to go, that blue chair is ours. We can take
Where is it?
Be nice. It's.
Hey guys.
Do you see it?
Right. Oh yeah, I see it.
I'm
Okay,
scared.
I'm gonna count down.
No.
Okay. You can do it.
I don't know if I can.
You can do it.
I don't
You
know.
can.
What are you doing?
She's putting heat
I'm gonna.
on
It's
me.
only gonna be a little bit. Okay, ready? Ready?
No.
You just gotta bite the bullet, Reina. Okay, I didn't start it yet. 1, 2,
No.
3.
Just slap her. Right before
Oh!
It didn't even start.
Yes, it did. I feel it, Kaylee.
Oh, you gotta do it. It's
I
just
did
a little
it.
bit
I
longer.
felt it.
The light didn't even come on. And
No, I felt it. No, you lie. I got that on tape.
We'll play this back and see, vlog. It didn't even start. The light didn't go on. Maybe it has like a little something before.
Maybe.
You want to do it again?
Nope.
Okay. Here's the cream right there.
Yeah, I'll take the
Okay.
cream for the one on my face. Thank you for the hydrocortisone.
No problem.
Who was that? Is that Vanessa?
Someone was in pain.
Well, are they gonna be able to see? You have to get
No,
your butt up
no,
in
because
Lisa,
I have my hand. I'm not gonna try and get demonetized.
Okay.
I have more on my back, on my lower hip. I'm so scared.
Okay, give me your hand.
Her Part 2.
Yeah, I told Kaylee she could do it if she ate all of her carrots.
And I hate carrots, guys, and I ate all of them.
It's
just
oh
to do this.
no.
Give me your hand.
Just
Oh,
to
no.
do this.
Give me a
So-
finger. Give me a finger.
So you want it on?
No,
I'm
you're
just
gonna hurt
squeeze
me.
it. Yeah, to distract you from that pain.
Why can't I squeeze your hand?
Okay, squeeze my hand.
Setting
You squeeze it as hard as you want.
1, right?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna do 1.
No.
Okay. Okay, so it's in a line. Do you want me to focus on? I'm not starting it. This one or here?
Here, give me the thing. Give me the thing. Okay. You point to which one. You point, and Raina, you tell her which one you want her to do, or all 3 of them.
Do the biggest one. I think that one's
Do
the most
biggest-
itchiest.
This one right there.
Yeah.
Okay, I see it. Okay. Ready? Wait.
No, I'm not.
You can do it. You got this.
Squeeze it as hard as you want.
I'm just pressing down.
Okay,
I'm not
So
starting.
she's gonna give you a countdown.
No, she's not. Just,
I am,
do
I am.
it. Just
Okay,
do it.
okay.
Just do it. No.
I wanna see.
did it, guys. Wayna did it.
You want to see my bug bite? Is that what you wanted to see?
Oh, shit.
It's in a line, right?
Oh
Yeah.
gosh.
It was like, I'm still hungry.
Woo! Okay, we're next.
No.
She's like, I got no.
Try throwing it up again. Okay. That was fun.
Is this for the vlog? Oh shit. Oh my god. So Raina's trying to I think she's trying to get the top part off this stick.
Granny, throw it from the bottom piece.
See? Oh shit. Oh. Oh, she did it. Okay. Oh, she camping Goyle now. Nice. Nice.
How do you want me to hold the box?
Yeah.
Get it, Kaylee. Get it. Get it, Kaylee. Get it.
Come on, Fire.
Come this way. Get it, Kaylee. Get it.
I got this.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do.
We the camping Goyles.
Yeah.
/ wood collecting Goyles.
Yeah. Follow the fire. Follow the fire. Yeah.
It's for Gisela. Wait. No copyright music.
Yeah.
Wait, what do you want me to say?
Yeah, but like you said, this is for Gisela.
This is for Gisela.
What are we having, Vanessa?
Hot cocoa?
And it's
It's
in.
not Vanessa's special hot cocoa.
I don't think they know
No, we
Vanessa's
got it.
special.
Well, they don't need to know. Just know it's not.
We got it at Bassett's. I got it at Bassett's.
Yum.
You know, don't put that in.
It's a heart. Come on in. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What?
Do you know what side they're sleeping on?
On that side.
Oh, they're sleeping like this?
Yeah, no, they're sleeping like this, so they're. Oh, they're up.
Good morning.
Wake up, Kaylee, wake up, Kaylin, wake up. What? Oh my gosh, what was I doing? Oh, interesting. You want to tell them what your dream of me was?
Oh yeah, I had a dream the other night that we were on a walk and it was like, Vanessa, I don't want to be rude, but I can smell your shit. You don't wipe good enough.
I'm in everyone's dreams apparently, except for Kaylani's. It's okay. I don't think of me either. Oh.
Hi, stinkers.
Boop, boop, boop. Wow, he got far.
Well, he's not all tangled up.
Good point. Look at all this that I cut up myself. Jeez. It's hot.
Yeah, true.
Need a video.
Do you feed Koa watermelon?
Mhm.
Oh, okay.
He loves ice, though.
You love ice.
Uh-huh.
Can I have another piece of watermelon,
Of course. Take as much as you want.
Okay.
Do we still have the cubed one?
I don't know. Did we have the cube one, Kehlani?
Yes.
Oh, it is so thin.
Ooh. Have you seen? I don't remember where I saw it, but it was like a fruit sandwich with watermelon on top and like other fruits in the middle.
Oh,
No.
I was thinking just.
Oh.
Put an onion in the middle.
Have you heard of have you heard of the low calorie cake where it's not cake inside, it's
Oh,
watermelon and they put
yeah.
Cool Whip on the outside?
Ooh.
Yeah. Oh, that's a nice fire.
Because he cheated.
I know with the
With the lighter fluid?
Uh-huh.
And he has the good wood from the neighbor.
Yeah.
The good wood. Wow, there's no smoke in that fire at all. I appreciate a good fire now.
Oh.
I know. I know now.
She's saying your fire sucks.
No, because I helped with that too.
She's saying
It's 'cause
her
Kaylee
fire.
helped, that's why.
Ouch.
Oh,
Because Giselle made... No.
I got
You
the
and I made
green.
one.
Mostly you. I was kind of just there for the ride.
She was there for moral support.
Yeah. Sorry.
Ooh.
Touching knees.
Ooh.
No. It's okay. Vanessa keeps playing footsies with me.
At night?
No, just in general.
Yeah, at night. I go into her sleeping bag and...
I feel something. Raina's like, no.
She likes it.
No.
She just doesn't want to admit it.
Absolutely not.
Absolutely not.
When I went in, I was like, oh, Raina could like sleep on the captain's bed.
Yeah. I
We
told
went
you.
to our tent.
I changed in your tent.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Yeah, there's
She's like,
I am,
snuck in
yeah,
there.
no, I'm sleeping next to her.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
No, captain's in between you though.
Yeah.
No, but I'm so close. I could be on the other side of the tent, but I'm not.
Yeah. She's too scared.
Aw.
No, it's just too empty.
Yeah. It really is.
Too much space in there.
There's too much space.
Really? Have you seen it?
No, I'm
Go
gonna,
look.
I'm gonna go in. Okay.
You can open the side or you can go
Okay,
through the
I'm
front.
gonna go through the side.
It is humongous.
Yeah. I know, I was like standing in there and I'm like, oh, I can stand in here. This is nice.
Yeah.
She's gonna go through the front now. A mansion.
You know, once having a tent like that you can stand in, doesn't matter how expensive it is, how many people are going camping. I don't want a small tent.
We could decorate it. We should decorate it next time.
Yeah, we should get little string lights.
Yeah.
I think that's it.
Okay. Yeah, I probably
She's
have
still in
some.
there.
Mhm.
I wonder what she's doing. I wonder if she's walking around through the whole place.
Yeah, I mean, it's a big place. She probably got lost.
Yeah, I think so. You were in there for quite a while. What were you doing?
She's going through our stuff. Did you get lost?
Poured under the mattress. I did it all. Whoa. Yeah, you are very close to her side.
Yeah.
A little too close.
Yeah.
No, too bad.
I'm just kidding. I like it. The truth is, I'm scared.
Aww.
I know, what is it? If an intruder comes in, they first have to deal with
Yeah, they have to
Raina
deal
and
with me.
Captain.
True. No, they're gonna deal with Captain first.
Yeah.
I'm not even gonna hear. Vanessa's gonna have to deal with
She
him.
didn't hear him barking last night.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, I didn't.
She's out. She said, "You're warm enough. You're cool enough."
And
All right,
then
good
You have to
night."
go. Well, yeah, that's pretty much
Oh
it.
my gosh.
He's in the car.
He's just chilling.
He's asleep.
It's probably the best sleep he's had for a bit.
Yeah.
What happened?
That big long stick. Is it that one right there by the chair?
Somebody hid it from me.
Yes.
In plain sight. Bless you.
Go, Raina. Go,
Oh!
Raina. You got this. Camping Quill.
My face. Camping. Camping girl. Camping girl. Where are you, Kaylee?
Camping Quill.
Camping girl.
Teamwork.
Ketchup burns.
Hmm?
The ketchup burns my lips.
Let's go. Cleaning the clamp. Cleaning the clamp. Cleaning the campsite. Kaylee and Kaylani, me and Vanessa. Outdoors. I didn't even give you guys a tour. Oh well. Y'all can watch me deflate this.
Good job.
Did it. Thank you. Oh my gosh. All that trash. Well, let me put that out. Oh, she's waiting for me to bring the chef away.
Hi, Captain.
Dog Claire. Canopy. Great. Oh. Captain.
Oh no.
Oh no.
You vlog?
I did right now. Mmm.
Captain, come here.
Yes, for 8. Oh.